So both protocols can work either in transport mode or tunnel mode. So transport mode means that the data payload is protected, and tunnel mode means the data payload and headers are protected. So the AH and ESP, they could both work in one or the other. And this will get a little bit, in reality, it gets, of course, a little bit more complex, but that's the level that you'll need to know for the CISSP exam. That if it's in transport mode, that means the data payload is protected. In tunnel mode, it means that the data payload and the headers are protected. Now remember that AH is not doing encryption. The only protection it's providing is integrity and data origin authentication. So it's ESP. If ESP is in tunnel mode, that means the data payload and the headers are encrypted. If AH is in tunnel mode, that means it's running its ICV over the data payload and some headers.